Accuracy of XCT to perform dimensional measurements on different measurands. By Anne-Francoise Aubatin, Anis Tanij, Nicolas Fischer, Sophie Antona, Florian Montagner, Sylvain Genat, Sebastien Brzuchax, Patrick D. Soit, Kevin Dubois, Thomas Bouvier, Rakesh Nanjreddy, Nicolas Cottant, Nicolas Kochenek and Lionel Gay. As additive manufacturing is increasingly used in industry to manufacture complex shapes with internal features, X-ray computed tomography, XCT, has become an essential tool for performing dimensional measurements. Thus, an X-ray computed tomography, XCT, interlaboratory comparison campaign involving an aluminium machined object whose dimensions 92 into 78 times 63 cubic millimeters are significant for a 225 kV XCT system, was performed for the purpose of investigating the performances of industrial XCT systems for dimensional measurements in terms of accuracy, that is, precision and trueness, and to evaluate the influence of the measurement protocol, that is, measurement strategy, of the operator and of the software on the results by comparison to reference measurements. The campaign involved 7 French XCT users and system suppliers. 7 measurands were selected for the comparison campaign, including 1 distance, 3 diameters, 1 cylindricity, 1 coaxiality and 1 true position. The results of the comparison campaign were analyzed to evaluate the performance of XCT systems implementing ISO 5725 to related to accuracy, and more specifically to one of the 2 components of accuracy, precision, and ISO 5725 to 4 related to the other component of accuracy, trueness. In this campaign, we came to the conclusion that the measurement strategy is predominant, except for distance. That the measurement process is affected by the operator only for cylindricity and coaxiality, that there is no or little influence of the software except for coaxiality and position, and that a volumetric Gaussian filter allows improving the measurements only for some participants' measurements. Furthermore, different behaviors, in terms of precision and trueness, are observed depending on the type of measurands when performed by different operators. The diameter measurements are reproducible with XCT, lower than 30 micrometers, which corresponds to a subvoxelic factor of 2.5, and the trueness is lower than 22 micrometers. The distance measurement is also reproducible with XCT, 15 micrometers, which corresponds to a subvoxelic factor of 4.9, and the trueness is 8 micrometers. For these measurands, their measurements do not depend on the used XCT system. However, the XCT reproducibility for cylindricity, coaxiality and position is worse, as well as the trueness, except for the position, which has a trueness of 1 micrometers. The process measurement should be revised regarding cylindricity and coaxiality measurements which have been done. See addendum. Finally, overall, the ability of the participants to perform measurements with XCT, whatever their system, is statistically comparable except for a few measurements. In this article, the results of an interlaboratory comparison campaign on XCT dimensional measurements have been presented. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.